Hello everybody. Here's another way to make a tripod for your cell phone. A tripod adapter is what it is. Okay. I decided to use this chip, sour cream and onion chip can and a pair of scissors. I've been inspired by other YouTubers who has a similar idea. But I choose the chip can because it's more sturdy than a bottle or anything, flimsy. All right, enjoy. And as you can see, I've already cut the side of the can, and one side is higher than the other on purpose so that I can tilt my phone. All right. I cut it down approximately an inch on each side so I can tilt my phone. Okay, that's it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hey, I almost forgot. It's just temporary, but you can also decorate your can, your DIY tripod adapter. You can also decorate it. I choose to do this print here. Okay, here we are. There we are. Tripod adapter. Thank you.